that this issue must be looked at from the point of view of the sentiments of the Northeast and the country as a whole. I think our resolution has clearly mentioned out here, as we have mentioned in the resolution out here, that we will be coming together. Once, if the government does not, then we will take a decision at the appropriate time.
Next. This side.
Please? Yes, sir. Last question, please. No, as I said, really, I mean, everybody's trying to put a political color to this, and no, we can't. I agree with you. This is. But I'm making it very clear that when we came, you're right. But when we came together, we really came together on the basis of the issue, and to create this, to ensure that the sentiments are brought out, and the government of India realizes that. So that is where we are right now. Further course of action, we will see as the time comes. We will take a call. We will discuss. As I said, we have formed a committee that will look into this issue. No, as I said, it is premature for you to go into that line. I know that you would like to go into discussions in that line, but right now, as I said, we are really sticking to the issue. Yeah, yes, absolutely. We are in touch with everybody, and we in fact informed everybody, and to the NEDA convener also, that we are having this meeting, and the communication is on. Everybody knows about this, and it is our responsibility to ensure that we apprise everybody about the stand that we have. Thank you so much. I don't think there's an issue of we are nobody to approve it or disapprove it. It is a decision of the party.
There is no question of approval of this in this convention.
Yeah, we have simply.
If you approve of it, it would follow the other.
As I said, that we are really going too far into this. Right now, every political party has their own identity, their own ideology, and AGP has taken their stand. We have come here, as I said, together to support this issue and give our voice that we are against this bill, and I think that's where we are focusing on right now. Thank you very much.
Thank you, media, for your cooperation.